So you're looking to learn how to fix and flip your first home. Well, let me tell you, the first thing you could do is to not fix and flip. Before we get into it, hit the subscribe and like button to get more content just like this. And why do I say this? I say this because it's a bad idea to get into a fix and flip for your first home. If you've done or worked with a team of people that have fixed multiple homes, then yeah, it would make sense. Ideally, you want to buy a nice little single family house that you can live in for maybe a year and then rent that house out, and then ultimately 3, 4, 5 years down the road, sell the house. Maybe you have some equity built up in the house because you bought hopefully in a good area where the population has increased and the demand for that area is pretty high. But never start off buying a home for yourself as a fix and flip unless you've worked with a team of people and you know exactly what you're doing and how to do it. And also, the construction budget is going to be a big deal because you've never did construction before. So if you don't have experience in these two categories, don't do it.